Hey everyone, it's Reed, and we'll start this video off by showing off my amazing helper. You can see that he is fully in charge and motivating me to get the work done today. Isn't he awesome? Philip always loves to be out here to help with every project. And you can see he just kind of lazes around. But he's a good kitty cat. Here's the project we are working on. We are making a sweet potato garden. Isn't it cool looking? Now the stuff here on the bottom is the stalks of sunchokes, because I get lots and lots of them. So adding some organic material there. But like I said, I don't have years to make super good soil and everything else. So we're adding desert soil 50% and then sort of like a compost mix that we bought 50%. And it usually does all right. Not as good as what I want, but it does okay. Now we're gonna have this all filled up with sweet potatoes and have a bunch of nice sweet potatoes to eat. They're tasty. Now we mail ordered our sweet potatoes because I was not winning on getting sweet potato slips to grow. I gotta still work on that. Review like Liberty Garden. In fact, link will be up there. Go check him out. Liberty Garden knows what he's doing about everything gardening. And nice, good, wonderful guy. Very hard worker. He puts my work ethic to shame. But not all the plants, as you can see, look that great. Some are kind of, eh. So some will die, some will live. But if you guys know, if you grow your own sweet potatoes out of these vines will go everywhere. They'll make quite the ground cover. And whatever dies will take its place and so on and so forth. So that's one of the other things I'm expanding on. Sweet potatoes. Let me know what you guys are doing. What other new things you're growing. What other kind of stuff you're up to. And that's the quick little update from me. Take care everyone. Reed out.